Have a list of addresses that you want to dedupe? There are several tools out there like Google Sheets or Excel that you can use to remove duplicates from a spreadsheet. However, tools like these can't find all duplicates if the addresses have not been standardized because they are looking for exact duplicates. They don't know if Ave is the same as Avenue or if Rainer Ave is the same as Rainer Street. We can try to standardize manually with lots of Google Maps searches, but I'll show you how we can fix this standardization issue in no time flat. Here's a list of addresses that I want to dedupe. I've got them open in Google Sheets in their own tab. Go to smarty.com or click the link in the description. Then at the top, hover over Resources and under Demos, select Bulk Address Validation. Select whether you're validating US addresses, international addresses, or if you're looking to match zip codes to US cities and states. In this example, we'll stick with US addresses. For step 2, paste in your CSV project. Just make sure it has a header row. It is possible to type it in manually, but ain't nobody got time for that. Feel free to download the example file if you're curious about the best formatting to use. The free tool will allow up to 10 addresses. Doing more than 10 address lookups? Stay tuned. Once your addresses are squared away, select Process My List. The bottom box populates with your new validated address fields. Then copy and paste that bad boy into your spreadsheet. It's important to note that if your addresses were all in one column with the components not broken out, you'll need to split the new data with the comma set as the delimiter. You can do that in your spreadsheet by clicking Data, Text to Columns, and then setting comma as the delimiter. To process more than 10 addresses at a time, you'll need a free Smarty account. I was able to run this whole list all at once because when you first sign up for a free account, you get 1,000 free lookups for free and 250 free lookups a month after those run out. And guess what? It was free. Okay, so I've pasted my process data into a new tab in Sheets. There are a ton of new columns because Smarty gives heaps of additional data for each address. In fact, you can see in my list that there are several marked as no match, meaning if I were to send mail to that address, it wouldn't work. For more information on that, check out some of our other videos. Let's get back to removing those dastardly duplicates, okay? The first 3 columns that I pasted are my original addresses, still with all of their errors and non-standardizedness. But if I look over to columns H through L, those are the same addresses, but now they're all standardized. So I'll copy those columns and paste them over my second tab. Okay, check this out. My original data didn't have a zip code, but these new addresses do. All I need to do is the same deduplication song and dance I did at the beginning of this video. Go to Data, and then go to Data Cleanup, and then Remove Duplicates. A dialog box pops up, and I'll mark column headers, and that I want it to check for duplicates only in the address column. This time it did a much better job. And there you go. That's how you clean up your duplicate addresses. Later, skater.